Your cooking oil should not start smoking immediately. But many home cooks see smoke within seconds. They think the pan is simply too hot. Sometimes that is true, but often the real problem is the oil. Every cooking oil has a smoke point. This is the temperature where the oil begins to break down. Once the smoke point is reached, the oil starts producing visible smoke. At that moment, the oil is no longer stable. The flavor begins to change quickly, and the food cooked in it can taste bitter. Different oils have very different smoke points. Butter burns early because of milk solids. Olive oil can also smoke earlier than many people expect. Refined oils usually tolerate higher heat. Oils like avocado oil or refined sunflower oil handle heat much better. Another common mistake is heating an empty pan for too long. When oil finally enters the pan, the temperature is already too high. The oil reaches its smoke point instantly. Professional kitchens heat oil together with the pan. This allows temperature to rise gradually. The oil remains stable for much longer. The color of the oil can also give clues. Very thin oil that moves extremely fast means the pan is too hot. Gentle movement means the temperature is under control. Another signal is smell. Good oil smells neutral or slightly nutty. Burning oil smells sharp and unpleasant. Once oil starts smoking heavily, it is already degrading. Continuing to cook with it damages the flavor of the food. It can also leave dark residue in the pan. Chefs avoid this by controlling heat carefully. They also choose oils based on cooking temperature. High heat cooking requires high smoke point oils. Medium heat cooking allows more delicate oils. Matching the oil to the technique is essential. Once you understand smoke points, cooking becomes easier. Your food browns better and tastes cleaner.